Hello, we're going to jump straight into the video today. I'm Lisa, pro makeup artist. Here we go. So this is a hair update video. I'm going to talk to you about how I've been getting on with the K18. I'm going to remind you how to apply it in your hair too, because I upgraded and I got the big bottle because I had the mini one before. Anyway, love this conditioning treatment situation. Enough of me blabbing. So this is my Aquis hair towel. Let's undo. So your hair needs to be damp, not soaking wet, but damp. So that's probably been in the hair towel for a wee while now. Definitely longer than 10 minutes. I've got really fine hair, so my hair dries very quickly. Yeah, so for context, my hair is fine hair, brushing from the bottom. Then I go to the top using a wide tooth comb. This is the taut wear comb I love. It's taut, just taut. And yeah, so I'm just combing my hair firstly. I'm actually going to the hairdressers today. Can you wait? But you always need to go to the hairdresser with clean hair, folks. Clean hair, yeah? Do you hear me? No one wants to be touching your dirty hair. And if you're having colour won't penetrate. Anyway, I digress. But you knew that. Here we go for the second time. Woo, woo! Stop with the jokes, Lisa. Anyway, so what I love about this is firstly, you just shampoo your hair. Just shampoo your hair. And I'll go on to shampoos in just a secondo. So K18 is an amazing leave-in mask. No conditioner. However, if you want to conditioner, do it after popping this in. So you get... On this one, you do one pump for an average head. If your hair is like this short, literally small pump. You've got to work it out for you. I can't tell you everything. Right, one pump. It's like a dollop, a generous... Hi, I'm back. My memory card was full. So yeah, I have issues deleting things, not gonna lie. I'm just like, will I ever need it again? Anyway, my hair's beginning to dry almost too much now because of all this faffing around. Do I need to wet it again? I think I might. Bloody Nora! Right, I'm gonna get some water. Oh, do you know what? I know what I'm gonna do. I've not got time to run into the shower or tap or whatever. So I'm just gonna use JVN. Yeah, so your hair needs to be damp to apply it. If your hair's anything like mine, it dries into candy floss in a matter of seconds. Anyway, so you work this product from the root to the tip. So I just start by kind of combing it kind of through. So I've got the, oh, I'm molting. Get off me. I've got the bulk of the product on my palm, and then I'll bring it up to my hands, and then I will sort of begin to, and as I do this for my hair, it begins to soften and feel different. So you leave this in for 4 minutes. You don't do anything to it in that time. And then once that time is up, you carry on with your hair routine, so whatever you want to do. So at that point, you can choose to, what can you choose to do? You can choose to put conditioner in, if you so wish, or whatever. So it's fine to get it wet again, because that's the treatment done. This is why I bloody love this product. 4 minutes, no messing around, love. Like the strength of my hair is actually growing, and normally like the ends are so dead. I mean, they're a little dead. Like you can see how fine my hair goes to. But what normally happens is they're so dead I have to chop a decent amount off for it to look healthy. But my hair is looking healthier and longer. Let me take that off for a minute so you can see. But yeah, adore, j'adore. So while that is doing a 4 minute thing, I'm gonna take a sip of coffee. Because I'm being wild. Filming this before work. Okay, So just a roundup of hair updates. Okay, so JVN, love. I have been using these at home. So this is the Undamage range and the Embody. So the Undamage is a strengthening shampoo and conditioner. Obviously today I didn't use the conditioner, and I will generally, like sometimes I'll use the red, the Undamage as my first wash to basically really hydrate the hair, to just make it and then I'll go in with the Embody, which is a volumizing shampoo and conditioner range. So because my hair, like, it's fine, it's not necessarily flat, but sometimes I want a bit more like root lift and kind of goodness, and products not to weigh my hair down, because that's what I really struggle with fine hair. Let me know if you do too. But honestly, loving all of these. It's in a metal container, it's sustainable, it's sulfate free, it's got hemisqualane, so that kind of is Mother Nature's silicone, essentially. It's a silicone free formula, but it helps to basically strengthen the hair and give shine. And boy oh boy, does it do all those things, honey. And that is, I think that's been just over 4 minutes now, because there's a little timer on my my doodah, but you can see how quickly my hair dries. So as I said earlier, I'm going to have my hair done. I'm not going to put too much in it, but I do want to add a little bit of conditioner. So this is, it's a 10. If you tried It's a 10 at all, so it's a brand that do some really lovely products, and I'm sort of still in the sort of testing phase with them all. But this is a miracle leave-in product. I mean, big claims, but it's a really lovely hydrating, almost like leave-in conditioner. So this is great for this like K18 mask. I mean, I wonder in the future if they will release some kind of leave-in conditioning mask, treatment for after using this potentially, especially if you've got like curly hair or really dehydrated dry hair. But my hair just feels so soft, and then I literally had to hunt this down. I was like, where the hell is this? Because I couldn't find it. It wasn't in my usual stash, and it was actually in my kit. So a lot of the JVN products, this and the air dry product, where is that? I mean, you can see it's well used and loved. And I was on set recently, and the model bought this, and she's like, oh my god, it's so, she saw this in my kit, and she's like, oh my god, it's amazing. I was like, I know. So I probably will get one of each. But the only annoying thing with this in my kit is quite like a big heavy tub. It'd be nice if it was like more slender. Even with a pump, like I know it's nice to kind of scoop the product out, but look, testament to me loving this product. And they all smell amazing, so I'm just going to put a dollop of that. Probably going to do like that much, a bit less, maybe that much, through my hair. And always try, as long as I forget, to start putting product like through the back of your hair, then bring it around the front, because that way you generally don't overload the front, because sometimes you've got like the biggest, freshest blob. So technical. So I forgot to say what this is in my excitement. So this is the JVN Complete Instant Recovery Serum. Do you remember I met him? Yeah, I met him earlier this year. We're like best friends. There's new shine drops as well that they've sent, and I'm starting to use those, but I'm just in a headspace where I'm literally like all over the place, like so much going on behind the scenes. Oh, it's all okay. So I was going to say it's all good. Yeah, questionable. But it will be fine. And this is beautiful. Again, it's got the hemisqualane in there. This is great. All the line is vegan as well. And if you're looking for like sustainable products, like that's glass. All the componentry, I think, bar the pumps on this, are recyclable. So, you know, he's gone with a mission from the beginning, and yeah. And what I love about this serum is that it's got heat protectant in it too, honey. So you're like, shut the front door. You don't need like 5 products to do one thing, and this is great for all hair types. So his whole line was designed to basically treat specific hair concerns. So think of it like skin. It's not based on the colour of the skin, but it's based on the skin needs. Does it need hydration? Does she need a bit of body, a bit of booty? Does she need, you know, all those kind of things, basically, those specific hair concerns. That's the one. So yeah, literally loving everything. And then I might just whack a bit of this in through the air dry cream. So this is a fantastic cream. You can use it in a few different ways. I've used it to sort of scrape my hair back and kind of do it like a slicked back kind of bun look. And what's nice, it doesn't like leave your hair, it's a really soft texture, and it doesn't set and go flaky or anything. It's what I really like about it. And this basically enhances your natural texture. So if your hair's down, and if your hair's anything like mine, she'll be living her best, cute, you know, wavy little life. And we're absolutely here for that. But let's put it through that piece, and it'll just, I mean, obviously my hair is still a little wet, but this will just enhance my natural texture, which I'm not mad about. And it's unisex, you know, so anyone can use this product, and the whole motto behind the brand is come as you are. This isn't sponsored or anything, by the way. This is my pure, genuine love. I mean, yeah, I do want to be best friends, JVN, so, you know, Jonathan, call me, I miss you. But what's really nice is that, you know, even on the back of the hand, it doesn't leave the hand sticky or anything. It's just gorgeous. And that is kind of my hair. Should we do a diffuser moment just to enhance the curl? Yeah, okay. Okay, I thought so. Be right back. Here she is. So this is by Bellissima, and this is a diffuser. So this is the first ever diffuser I've actually ever used in my life. Never knew what they were before. My mum has like poker straight hair, so yeah, so you kind of put your hair and you tilt your head and you turn it on. You see how that's kind of really enhanced. I'm just enhancing what I naturally got, girl. Gonna turn that off for a second just for you to see. I've not actually picked this up in a little while, but it's good. If you've got waves, curls, this will just basically help you get a little bit more out of them. You get the idea. Then what you can do is flip it and just give it a bit more kind of root action. And there you have. And for me, like, I just kind of try and look where my parting sort of wants to go. Let's go with these shine drops in this situation because she's got a bit fluffy. So JVN's shine drops, again squalene. It's a very like watery light oil. I think you all know I love the Living Proof range. I think this is slightly more affordable. Look at the shine instantly. Oh, hello. Hello. There's a like. But it's fab, isn't it? She ready, honey. I look like some 80s dream. Like, yes. Get me in Stranger Things, honey. Anyway, that is it. Hair update done. You wanted to know? You got the absolute tea, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what questions you have or what products you really want to see in action too. What don't I know about and what am I sleeping on? Thank you, Sunday crew, and I will see you next time.